A Day in My Life as a New Immigrant in California Job Hunting Edition. Apply kami work What? Yes! Nag-submit na kami guys. I mean, siya lang pala. Dito kami nag-submit sa ranch. Walking distance lang to sa bahay namin. And ngayon, on the way naman kami ngayon sa Westlake. So, tignan natin dahil may Starbucks doon. Sana ako'y palari. Let's go! Siyempre, check muna si Idol. Nakasakay na ng bus? Alright. First stop, nandito kami sa Starbucks ng Serramonte Center. So, pasok lang, no? Kunyari magkakape, pero may dala na pala siyang resume. So right now, andito naman kami ngayon sa Panda Express. Nag-snack muna ako habang iniintay ko yung kapatid ko kasi nagpasa din siya ng resume.
Oh yes.
So lakad-lakad lang tayo guys, no? Susuyurin natin buong Starbucks dito sa Daly City. For second stop, Colma. Hi! Sorry, I just want to ask if you guys are hiring here.
We are. Our hiring manager isn't here at the moment. She's on vacation. But if you just apply through the Starbucks.com/careers website, then business cards.
Actually, I have my resume here. It's fine if I give my resume also, if you don't mind.
Sure. Just leave it on the desk for when she gets back, and then I'll leave a note from there.
Actually, I already submit through online, but until now, I'm still waiting for the update. TikTok break muna, no? Kasi napagod sila mag-job hunting. Kunyari kakain pero nagsasubmit na pala ng application. Para makatotohanan, kumain talaga kami. So, sobrang dami naming pinasahang resume ng kapatid ko, no? Sana pala rin at magkatrabaho na sana kami. So, yun lang naman guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!